Hey everyone, so there is a news circulating regarding SBI clerk postponement. Like many of the teachers and many, I have seen many videos like the SBI clerk may be postponed. Yesterday I was watching Vishal sir's video and he also said that SBI clerk can be postponed. So I just wanted to make you remember one thing, that just don't care if the SBI clerk exam gets postponed or not. Don't lose your preparation, okay? Keep it tight, and because there are chances that it can get postponed, but if there are mild chances like 1% or 2%, if the exam happens in June, then we have to get ready. So keep giving the mocks daily and keep analyzing the mocks on a serious note, because we can't take a chance this time. I know it is very hard, like there is no certainty of the exam, but we have to keep going, because the successful people are those who can't leave, who don't leave their target for anything. Like they keep working for it, they don't leave it for one single time, and they keep thinking about it every time. So just, and one more thing is that all these things are, take these things as distractions. Like if any news is coming that SBI clerk will get postponed, take it as distraction and just prepare like your exam is in June, because then if the paper gets postponed and if it is slightly tough, then we can have an edge over the aspirants who are not serious, and like we will have an extra edge if we keep preparing seriously. So that's I wanted to tell you. Just don't leave your targets for anything, don't get distracted in this situation. I know many of you are not well, like facing some health problems. That's fine, you can take a break from your studies for some time. But if you are fine and if you are wasting your time in like watching some movies and watching some series, then you are committing the biggest mistake of your life, and you are just avoiding a golden opportunity. Because after the result came, then you will definitely think that we should have studied at that time. But when we have a chance, we take it very lightly, we don't think about it seriously. We always keep thinking like we have much time, even if we have 3 to 4 months, we just keep procrastinating our targets. I know that happens when we are watching any movie. In our back mind, it is always there that I am wasting my time, I should not do this, but we keep doing it because we prioritize that movie or that web series more than our studies. But keep one thing in mind is, the thing which bores you or the thing which seems difficult is the thing that changes your life in a very positive way. So take the challenge and just keep preparing. Don't lose this opportunity, I am telling you again, because many news are in circulation. Watch the videos, but don't get distracted, don't bring any single thought in your mind, okay? And just keep practicing the questions on daily basis in a very serious manner. And one more thing I want to tell you is that if you want to practice questions in a very definite manner, like if you are not able to find any source for question practice, I will suggest you Guidely Bundle PDF course. Okay, they are providing prelims plus mains targets for SBI clerk, and it is a series of targets. So you can use this bundle PDF for your daily targets for solving questions, and you need not to worry about the question sources, okay? Plus they provide video solutions also, so you can go for it, and I will give you link in description, you can check out that link. But I am requesting you again, just don't get distracted. Whenever I post the daily schedule, 3 to 4 comments are like this: we are just watching the video, we are wasting our time, we can't study. I just want to ask one thing, why can't you study? If your health is well, if you are getting food on time, then why can't you study? If you can watch web series for 6 to 7 hours, then why can't you study? No, I can't answer these stupid questions like who keep asking. Who I am saying this to those whose whose health is well, okay, and who get food on time. So they just keep wasting their days like they have just taken the time for granted. So I don't have any answer to that questions, but I want to tell to the serious aspirants who really want to get a job this year is that just please don't get distracted, okay. I am also an aspirant and I also get distracted, but I don't want watch such videos like, but I want to tell you from the bottom of my heart that just keep moving, okay, because many people have many dreams for you, your family have many dreams for you, and this lockdown is a very difficult situation for all of us, but just keep trying and one day we will reach to our goal. I know you can do it and I can also do it. This the purpose of making that video was to give myself also some belief, some self belief, and to you all also. So I know you will do it. Just I believe you, okay. Who are serious, I believe them from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. That's all for the video. Have a nice day and keep trying, keep working hard. Good night.